My superhero is called Swift. He can run super fast and he is very flexible. He is very friendly and does well at school. No one knows he is a superhero. He has two friends, Time Travel Tom and Fearless Karen. Some people start making fun of Swift and he gets bullied. He is so afraid that he doesn't tell anyone. He feels lonely and scared. He makes excuses for being late, like, I couldn't find my homework. He starts acting weird so his friends are suspicious. He locks himself in his room a lot and he doesn't eat much. He finally tells his friends about the bullying and they help him. They stand up to the bullies and tell them to leave Swift alone. From then on, everything is much better. Swift learned that if you are getting bullied, always tell someone. So how did Tom see the situation? I woke up in my new bed and started to get dressed. It was Monday morning and school started at 9 o'clock. I brushed my teeth and jogged to the kitchen to get breakfast. After I had breakfast, I packed my bag and went to school. I normally meet my friends at the school gate, but it was just me and Karen. We were waiting for Swift for about 15 minutes until he showed up looking cold and tired. We wondered why he was like that, but we didn't bother asking. Everything was normal for the rest of the day until home time. Swift sat in his seat, shaking, and he didn't want to leave school. We finally bribed him to come with us and we all walked home. The next day was the same. Now me and Karen were really worried. We finally asked what was up, but he still wouldn't tell us. This went on for days, but we still didn't get an answer. One day Swift invited us over to his house and he took us into his room. He told us all about the bullies and how they had been mean for ages. We comforted him and told him we would sort it out the next day. So the next day we went to school following Swift. We saw the bullies standing outside the gates. They started calling Swift names, so we told them to stop. They started to shove us around and said things like, "You are worthless." We told them to stop bullying Swift. They soon angrily stomped away. As they disappeared, we carried on walking to school. For the rest of the day, everything was back to normal. Swift wasn't shaking, the bullies had gone, and everything was okay.